Hello and welcome to the Opportunities with Aqeel. Have you ever dreamed of traveling or even working abroad without the hassles of complicated visa processes? Well, let me take you to the Micronesia, a paradise in the Pacific where many Asian passport holders can enter visa free. Stay with me till the end of the video because I will reveal the second hidden opportunity in Guam that connect directly with American jobs. Guam, it's an island that is an organized, unincorporated territory of the United States in the Micronesia sub-region of the Western Pacific Ocean. Micronesia is one of the few countries that offers the visa-free entry to the citizens from the several Asian countries, including Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Gulf nations. No visa application, no basic appointment, just a few basic documents. But please note, even without a visa requirement, some documentation is still mandatory. Here is what you need. Number one is your valid passport. It must be 6 months. Air return ticket, hotel reservations. You may book it online or through the travel agent. Some proof of your funds. You should have an at least 50 US dollars per day for your stay. So for a 10 days stay, keep you around the 500 to 600 US dollars in hand. This amount proves to immigration that you can support yourself during your stay. When your purpose is to visit, when you land in the Micronesia, immigration officers will ask you the purpose of travel. Be clear and honest. What is your purpose? You could be the tourist, business visits, family visit. Even if you are planning to explore the job options later, your first entry must be as a visitor. This helps avoid unnecessary complications at the airport. So what could be the travel route for Micronesia? You might be wondering, how do I go to the Micronesia from the South Asians or from the Gulf? Here are the two routes from Pakistan, India. You may first go to the Manila in the Philippines, then you will go to the Guam. Then after Guam, you will go for the Micronesia. From Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, you must go first to the Japan, then Guam, then Micronesia. So you may go either from Philippines or from the Japan. You have two routes to reach at the Guam, Micronesia. Note, Guam is an American territory, so it offers an interesting work routes, and you will explain that next. What is the opportunity in the Guam? Here is the real gem. Guam. Guam is an island under the US government control with a high demand of the workers. You can apply for the job in a Guam under the H-2B work visa program. A seasonal work visa approved by the US Embassy in the any countries like Pakistan. There are the two embassies in Islamabad and Karachi. You may go from the India, Bangladesh, or from at your country. To apply, you will need to have a valid passport, job offer letter from the Guam-based employer, petition approval from 1797, DS 160 confirmation, visa appointment letter, educational and work experience documents, your medical reports, your photos, your police clearance if they requested. And the best part, I will share the LinkedIn search tips and official links in the first comments and descriptions to help you to directly reach to the employers in the Guam. So some common mistakes you must avoid. One is that many people think I will go there, drop their CVs and find the work. In place like European and Guam, you need a pre-arranged job interview or appointment. So start building your international LinkedIn profile. Now connect with the HR managers, message them politely, ask if they are hiring foreign nationals. That's how you break it. Let's talk about the money. What could be the cost of the processing? Here is a breakdown of the Guam H-2B visa cost. Visa application fees around 190 US dollar. ACVIS fees, if applicable, it's 85 US dollar. One way ticket to the Guam approx. It will may take 1600 or 1500 US dollars if you travel from the Pakistan or India or somewhere else. Medical and accommodation keep around approx 70 to 100 dollars. Some agents may ask you for the fees, depends on who you are using, but make sure to verify every step yourself using official portals. I will link these portals in the description. So friend, if you are looking for the visa-free countries to start your international journey, Micronesia is the great option. And if you are ready to explore the American jobs routes, Guam and the H-2B visa might be your ticket. Don't forget to check the links and templates in the description in the first comment. Subscribe to the Opportunities with Aqeel for the more real data-driven updates on the global jobs, immigration and visa. Like the video, comment your questions and share with the someone looking for the opportunities abroad. Let me know if you are like thumbnail. So thank you.